woke up really early this morning. I think I was just excited to get the week started. I've already finished 2 big things off of my to-do list, and those are yoga and reading. Now I'm just gonna get changed and then get started on some biostatistics. Biostatistics is one of those subjects that I find great value in, and I do genuinely enjoy, but I tend to forget concepts and equations very easily, and so I think every morning of this week I'll focus on a different aspects of that subject and complete a practice problem or 2.
So what if the person...
I would go for factor 7. I'm assuming he has a vitamin K deficiency, and so the ones that are affected are 2, 7, 9, 10 usually. So recently I started using Notion, and I'm very late to the trend, but I'm liking it so far. I have 3 spreads. I'm not sure what you call them, but the one I've used the most was actually inspired by a YouTube video. Because I was having trouble reviewing my practice exam, I looked up this one video and they had this template that they used on Notion, and so I decided to give it a try, and I really like it. Basically, it just helps me organize all of the topics and questions that I got wrong, and it makes it so I could easily find a set of questions for a particular system, say cardiovascular system. I'm also using a template for habit tracking, but this has been my least favorite so far. I feel like I'm just not using it. Maybe that's more my fault, but it's alright, I guess. I feel like breaking down really big tasks helps, and it helps that there's a visual representation of it, and so I do also like this template. I didn't study as much as I wanted to yesterday, which is fine. Some days are just like that. Also, I had like a 3-hour catch up with one of my friends that I really miss. And so I wouldn't say that it wasn't a productive day. But today I do plan on getting a lot more done. I'm definitely a morning person. I feel like if my mornings start right, then the rest of the day will go fine. And so today we're off to a good start. Just like yesterday, I did some reading, I did my yoga, and I did my biostatistics question. Now I'm going to be reviewing a set of questions that I just finished doing. Anki is a flashcard system that utilizes spaced repetition, and I've been using it for a while now. But it wasn't until this year that I actually started making my own cards. For a while, I was just using pre-made cards, but I realized that it's nice to have flashcards that are specific to my deficits in knowledge. I am a creature of habit, so I'm gonna make the same thing that I made yesterday for lunch.